Yes, my people, good day. How you feeling today? Customer states I hear a sound when I'm driving. Come to find out it's the wheel bearing. Look at it while I turn it and listen closely and you will hear it sound rough. Watch. Hear that? Supposed to be quiet. Rough. So when you're driving at speed, that little sound that you hear when I'm turning it by hand gets amplified many times over. So you hear a rolling sound like a wah, 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 and it gets heavy and loud, wheel bearing going bad. So you have to change wheel bearing. But another thing I want to show you is ABS, the ABS system. So you need to have a wheel speed sensor on each wheel. So some of us are used to seeing the reluctor teeth on the axle, but they have a different design on some of these Euros and more modern cars. Let me show it to you. Pay attention. So we're taking a look and let me turn it and you see it turning. You see that little spot right there? That is the wheel speed sensor. There are small, tiny little magnets behind this plastic cover right here. Sensor would be positioned like here, and then as it turns, it goes by, look. Each of those tiny little magnets are passing by the sensor, and then the sensor is able to read each of those magnets. Clean all this stuff off, because I'm certain someone's going to say, oh my gosh, you destroyed the bearing. Yeah, man. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bless.